Assume the crash position. Hold on tight. Take a deep breath for a new kind of cartoon show. Cartoons and comics collide. Now to take you inside and turn the pages, here are your hosts, Henry and June.
Hey, KaBlamsters, it's Henry.
And June.
Today on KaBlam, we're proud to introduce
the latest breakthrough in interactive television, KaBlam-O-Vision. Henry, walk us into the future, won't you?
With virtual pleasure. And now prepare yourself for our first interaction. June will pick a card and hold it up for you, the audience, to see.
Remember this card. Wow, you and the card trick are now interacting.
Is this your card?
No.
Is this your card?
No.
Is this your card?
No, that's, not it either.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Don't blame me. This new technology may be defective.
Yeah, that's it. And speaking of defectives, here's Action League Now.
Dateline, Driveway International Airport. With the world on the brink of war, the Action League stands ready to escort an emissary of peace to a vital summit.
Now remember, the ambassador has to sign that treaty, or we may be looking at World War III. He must be protected at all costs.
Don't worry, Chief. Protecting ambassadors is our middle name.
Not mine. It's Murray.
Your Excellency, it is indeed a great honor. I salute you.
I salute you, Chief. And I salute everybody!
Oh!
Ouchies!
Action League, now, starring The Flesh. He's super strong and super naked. Thunder Girl, she flies like thunder. Stinky Diver, a former Navy commando with an attitude as bad as his odor. And Meltman, with the power to melt. Today's episode, Danger for a Dignitary. We find our heroes at a secret lab where the only hope for world peace lies in pieces.
Gullers, can't they just send another ambassador?
Flesh, need I remind you what you did to the last 3 ambassadors they sent?
Yes, please.
The first ambassador took in the beauty of our coastline. A little closer than he intended. The next one visited the hood. And wound up underneath it. And the third guy didn't even make it to lunch. Now they're all out of ambassadors. Blast it! Build a lab guy, you've got to save this one.
There's nothing I can do. Unless, well, there is a surgical procedure. But it's going to take time.
That's the one thing I don't have. The treaty signing starts in an hour.
Hang on, I've got an idea. They're nearly identical.
What a coincidence.
Everyone, action huddle. Here's the plan.
1 hour later at the World Peace Summit, the League's ingenious plan to save the world is revealed.
I'm taking these clothes off. My naked body yearns to be free.
No! I know it's killing you, mate, but hang in there. No one suspects a thing.
Ambassador, a great pleasure.
Howdy doody. Whoopsies.
Meanwhile, the real ambassador undergoes a delicate procedure.
There's Thunder. I need more glue. Oh no! I've lost him. I was afraid of this.
Goody! Popcorn's done.
Back at the summit,
These clothes are chafing my sensitive skin.
I must say, this is hardly the ambassador I knew at Cambridge.
And now, before we sign, I call upon the ambassador to lay out the principles of this historic agreement.
I was told there'd be no math.
It must be humbling to hold the fate of so many in one's hands.
Ladies and people, it is with great pleasure that I take off these stupid clothes! Hooray for me!
As a disrobed dignitary dashed all hopes for world peace, can Bill the Lab Guy save a dismembered diplomat? Stay tuned for the action's scammed conclusion of Action League now.
We'll have more action later on in the show, but right now we've got interaction.
We now present, for the first time ever on TV, a totally interactive KaBlam staring contest.
First one to blink loses. Ready, set, stare! I have to warn you, we're practically unbeatable. Aw man, shoot. I'm out.
Loser. Uh-oh. I got a tinkle.
Gee, too bad. Guess that means you...
Be right back.
Wow, she's good. Well, since you're staring, feast your eyes on that big-brained alien and his Cro-Magnon crony, Prometheus and Bob.
What you're about to see is top secret. It is a videotape recorded 900,000 years ago by an alien using a remote-controlled camera. It shows his attempts to educate a caveman. They have been codenamed the Prometheus and Bob tapes. Tape 8. Furniture.
End. Hey, KaBlamsters! Keep your tushy on the cushy. Still to come, Life with Loopy. The Offbeats. And when we return, more Action League Now, right here on KaBlam! KaBlam!
Action League now. An ambassador impaired, immobilized, impersonated. With doom impending, an action imbecile creates an international imbroglio. Or does he?
Brilliant! He stands naked before us in the spirit of peace.
Genius! He lays bare the true meaning of diplomacy. Hooray for the ambassador! Hooray for feeling free!
Hooray! And so I signed this treaty with fairness and nudity for all.
Hooray! Congratulations, Flesh. It isn't every day you get to save the world naked. All work here is done. Ambassador the Flesh? He's an imposter. We've been duped.
This means war.
Lunch mistress. Hand me my pants.
Later that day, with their mission botched, our heroes bid adieu to an oblivious ambassador.
Goodbye, Action League. Thank you for all you did to ensure world peace. Someday, I hope you will come visit my country.
Yeah.
Sure thing.
You bet.
Yeah, you bet.
You bet.
I wonder if we should tell him that his country is a smoking crater.
Nah, we can tell him later.
The end.
Welcome back. You know, interactive TV isn't just about cheap gimmicks. It's about sharing.
That's correct, Henry. And now, thanks to KaBlamavision, we'd like to share with you the sounds of the sea.
Hey, can I hear?
To fully enjoy your encounter with the sea, you may want to adjust your volume.
But it's my turn.
Later, Henroid. I'm trying to interact here.
Give it. Ahoy now. This is KaBlamerific. Ah! Ah!
You're right, Henry. That was KaBlamerific. Just like Life with Loopy.
Do not adjust your set. It's my world that's been turned upside down. Let me explain. See, this all started last Monday night, when me and the folks were trying to spend some quality time together.
Speed a big concern, safety not an issue? Call the Quick Fix Construction Company. We guarantee a quick fix for any housing headache or your money back.
The only problem was, something was spoiling our concentration.
Loopy, sweetie, a drink of water might cure those hiccups.
Actually, what our little honey bunch needs is a good old-fashioned shock to the system.
You know, the only 100% surefire way is to stand on your head and count backwards.
84, 83, 82.
As usual, my expert advice was right on the money, and soon her hiccups were history.
81. Hey, it worked!
Unfortunately, we were about to have a bigger problem on our hands.
Everything looks so cool upside down. I'm gonna stay this way forever.
Well, take it from me. Once Loopy gets an idea into her head, she can get real hung up on it. There was nothing she could do right side up. that she didn't like better upside down. And I mean nothing. But for the rest of us, Loopy's new lifestyle did have its upside-down sides. Pocket fallout was a big problem.
Honey, these croutons are a little stale.
And her suction cups were driving us nuts.
Quick fix construction! Don't think, call now!
Somehow we put up with it until...
Hi, everybody, I'm home!
Loopy decided to hang out with some new friends.
Hey, Dad! Say hello to Lester!
Oh dear. Larry, could you do me a little favor? Get her down from there! Honey! Honey!
Now, I wasn't about to waste my day peeling my roof rat sister off the ceiling. Hello? Quick Fix Construction?
Don't worry, honey. I'm sure Larry took care of it.
So you see, thanks to my quick fix solution, everyone got what they wanted. Mom's happy because Loopy's right side up again. Loopy's happy because she still gets to run around on the ceiling. And Dad, well, I'm sure he'll be happy as soon as he gets used to the new arrangements.
KaBlam!
We're interacting live with you through the miracle of KaBlam-O-Vision. Henry, take us into the next dimension of sight and sound.
Now, when I say blow, start blowing. Ready? Blow! Come on, Boston. I don't see you blowing. Chicago! You call yourself the Windy City?
Henry, I think we got a problem here.
We sure do. Our audience is a bunch of wimps. Come on, blow! Dig deep, work it, really put your lungs into it. What's the matter with you? Can't you spin a measly pinwheel?
Now that's interaction. While I go find Henry, prepare to be blown away by the offbeats.
What's the matter, Tommy?
My mom says I have to get my coat cleaned.
So?
I love this coat.
It is kind of dirty. And it's only for one day. That wasn't so bad, was it?
I want my coat!
They never stay small, and the populace don't like them at all. But that's okay, life is sweet. They cool. They the offbeats.
I heard your coat is being cleaned, Tommy. You can borrow my Coat-O-Matic 2000.
It's not my coat.
I know, but look what my coat can do.
It's not my coat. It doesn't even look like my coat.
But I can make it look like your coat.
No. No. No.
Eddie Ann? Yes, Tommy?
I want my coat!
Hi, guys. Hi, Rapunzel. What's wrong, Tommy? What did he say? He said,
I want my coat! Going golfing.
breathe, Tommy, breathe. Hey, what's wrong with Tommy? His coat's at the cleaners. So what? Tommy loves his coat.
Oh, Tommy Wammy needs his coaty woady.
Don't push it, Tina.
Hey, Tommy, your epidermis is showing.
Coat.
Tommy?
Coat.
Tommy?
Coat.
Hello?
Coat.
Run!
Tommy! Your coat's back from the cleaners. Coat? Uh-oh. Sorry, Tommy. About what?
Well, that about wraps up the historic debut of KaBlam-A-Vision.
Let's commemorate this towering technological achievement with a photograph of you, the audience. And as a bonus, I'm gonna be in the picture with you.
How come you get to be in it?
I'm only thinking of our fans, June. Okay, everybody, move in. This is the chance of a lifetime.
Everybody smile and say, KaBlam!
Let me see. Hey.
Boy, the fans really do love you, Henry. See you next time, KaBlamites.
Join us again next time. Same KaBlam time, same KaBlam network.